Alright guys, I got a bunch of shit in here. I'm gonna get this welded up. I'll make a stand. Alright, so I got my stuff ready. I'm gonna go borrow my buddy's welder. I'll weld up a stand. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys right now.
Maintenant pareil, mais l'autre côté.
Alright, I'm gonna wait. Oh, I gotta put gas. We're going to America Saturday. Today's Monday. I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna go to my friend's Teva, my old coworker. I'm gonna see, but we're gonna see if we can weld up a stand. Oh my god, why it spots so goddamn tight. Where's my wallet? I think that's how you say it. I'm on the drive to Teva's house, but he lives so far. Oh, by the way, do you guys like this mustache, or should I keep it, or get rid of it? We'll see how this goes. Teva watches all my vlogs, so I'm like, hey, just make one with him in it. Hey, real quick, can someone explain me how the you read these exits? Exit D794 is my exit. Where the hell is the exit here? It's not even marked. It doesn't even say it. What is this? There's no signs for the road. Nothing. Where? Where the f does it say? I guess up there. But I'm too busy driving this damn roundabout to pay attention to this crap, dude. What is that? What is that? Alright, sorry my little rant. We're almost there. We're almost there, Teva. Oh my god, you cannot enter here. So I guess I gotta go this way. I'm here.
Jesse Matador.
Hey, what's up? Whoa.
Ah mon Jess?
Hello. Ça va,
What's up guys?
Ça va bien?
Mais rentre. Oh, trop bien, nickel. Là c'est l'établi. Beautiful caméra. Et puis si jamais, quand on va, vu que c'est du bois, faut pas que ça prenne.
Oh, look at this setup. What is this, catch all the rainwater? Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's Teva. Alright guys, I brought all this crap. A wireless Dremel, spray paint, some files, light, drill bits, yeah. Look, I got a light.
Oh, Parkside! It's good.
It's the best.
It's very good.
Parkside, the best.
Side.
Blancheuse Parkside aussi.
It's good. Putain, incroyable.
Yeah, look.
Putain, elle est trop bien.
Wireless. Alright. We started.
C'est peut-être pas super propre, mais.
We just tick weld the first piece.
On va pas y arriver. Hein.
We're never gonna finish, huh? We haven't started yet. We just tick weld one leg.
Hop, donc l'autre. Merde, j'ai fait de la merde. Ah! Putain, ils font chier. Oh putain. Oui, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Oui, je peux pas sortir.
I gotta move my car.
Ok.
Alright guys. Never welded before. I've soldered before, but it's kind of similar.
Ok. Tu commences par là. 1, tac, tu viens le faire, tac, tac, tac. Et tu... Ok. Là, on s'en fout. Non, de la merde. Fume pas ça, c'est dégueulasse.
Damn.
Tiens, et toi dégage. Bon, ça va.
Dude,
C'est
hey, c'est pas mal.
pas mal.
Not bad at all. It's not the straightest, but hey, wow.
Bon, c'est soudé comme un porc, mais...
Professionnel.
Je sais pas, mais en tout... Oh là. Là, il faut... Un coup quand même.
Alright, ignore the welds. Regarde pas les...
Non.
Not bad for you guys, though.
Sûr qu'il n'y a pas le feu.
Solid as a rock.
Bon, on va manger, on a faim.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I don't know if I mentioned the dirt bike stand to change my tire. I've always wanted to make a custom one, these dimensions, and fucking stoked on it. How it's coming out, way better than I expected. Fuck yeah. Let's go.
Let's go, boy. Ah, il manque le petit jaune d'œuf. Ah.
Shit. All right.
S'il n'y a pas de jaune d'œuf, bon, j'ai une gueule de dépravée. Hein, mais...
Right.
S'il n'y a pas de jaune d'œuf, ça va le faire.
C'est bon.
Et profite bien de tes vacances surtout.
Merci. See you later. Merci beaucoup.
Bye.
I'll see you later, Bon.
Bon,
Au
allez,
prochain.
profite bien.
Yes. Later. Bye. Well, didn't really finish the job, but we had started on it at least. I'm gonna come back and finish that. But it was good to see my coworker. That was fun. Let's go home.